Hi guys, just fooling around. This is the only nvidia that I have. This is my guide, not sure. I've installed Steam and I installed something called, I think, Counter-Strike or something. I think that my son would play, but as you're well aware, I'm not a gamer and he's shooting at somebody, I'm guessing. So, whoa, somebody's shooting from there as well. My mouse is a little bit slow to turn around, but I just wanted to show that starting from December, we can actually have let's try this one out. We can actually install nvidia drivers on our system from the ISO. So sudo pacman -s nvidia utils, nvidia settings, that stuff is now possible starting from the ISO, and that's what I did on this PC, and I'll show you the hardware later. But this is me having a look how everything is performing. I'll show you how I install Steam as well. But okay, and we're back. So I'm just walking through the landscape here, well, the town, and there is somebody here to the left. Yep, there they are. Little fire. Oh, there he is. Boom, he's gone. Through the fire. We'll never do that through the fire. Oh, I'm going to die. No, I'm not. But luck, I think. I need luck because I am not a gamer, as you well know. But there we go. So this is just Steam. It's a game. What game is this thing? Let's show what game it is. CSGO. That's the proper name, I think. Let's get out of here. Yes, sure, get out. And we have Steam up here. So Counter-Strike, Global Offensive, and all of these guys from time to time test it out and show you. So Super Shift Enter in this little place called ArcoLinux Nemesis on github.com/Eric Dubois, ArcoLinux Nemesis. We have AOR scripts and lots of scripts in there. And the one I've used now is to install Steam nvidia GPU version 1. So it includes all the knowledge of all the people helping you with how to get installed, how to everything to make sure that everything works properly. Because in this case, a lot of lib32, which means 32 bits, are being installed. The standard Steam is here, and then scroll down. Steam native runtime is here, and the TTF fonts even, so the Microsoft fonts, to have a nice look, readable look, and the games, devices, UDEV, if you have these mobile things, I know what are called, these Microsoft devices or anything remote, then they'll work as well. So I ran this one. I have done Steam. Steam is in your system then. It's just a click away. Steam, right? Steam runtime, and install that, and then maybe my settings. So this is not a very new PC. It's a rather old PC, but we kept updating, you know, the graphical cards and all that, and some more memory, and a new SSD from 1 terabyte and stuff like that. But it's basically is still an old PC. Motherboard then, and CPU. So this is the motherboard, Asus, the board, you can check it out. And we are working on the driver of nvidia, and that's the name, GTX 970, and that's it. So everything works fine, and you'll see the video later on. I don't think I have anything more to say. So we're using the nvidia that was on the ISO. So the best way to know if nvidia is installed, or whatever is installed, try to remove it. If you can't remove it, it's not installed. So these three things have been installed from the ISO. Alright, December, the middle of December, we'll release the new ISO to be able to install those 3 things on your system if you need them. Alright, cheers.